California's worst fires in recent years ravage hills and forests from north of San Francisco down to Santa Barbara. Here in the Los Padres National Forest near Santa Barbara, flames roar through 65,000 acres for 10 days before men and equipment of the U.S. Forest Service bring them under control. Now the blackened hills, denuded of protective trees and brush, pose another threat: floods. To counter that threat before it materializes, the Department of Agriculture initiates a gigantic reseeding project for the burnt-out park area. 500,000 pounds of a special grass seed mixture is loaded into Forest Service planes. California's rainy season is approaching, and without natural greenery to absorb and hold back the water, the mountain slopes would pour mud and debris into reservoirs, endangering water supplies for farms and towns below. The grass seed is sprayed from the plains onto the ground, even while it is still warm from the recent fires. With luck, the grass should take root quickly. The fires have already cost more than $20 million in damage. This prompt and imaginative replanting should keep the floods from taking their toll of destruction.